Welcome back to Automobile's Car, where today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Range Rover, an SUV that redefines luxury and performance. Focusing solely on its exterior, let's explore the key design elements, performance enhancements, and unique features that make this vehicle stand out. The 2025 Range Rover boasts a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette that seamlessly blends elegance with power. The front end features a redesigned grille with a prominent Range Rover badge, flanked by narrow, aggressive LED headlights. The grille is complemented by larger air intakes that enhance both cooling and visual impact. The LED headlights are equipped with the latest Matrix technology, offering superior illumination and adaptive high-beam functionality. Moving along the side, the new Range Rover showcases a refined profile characterized by clean lines and a sculpted body. The flush door handles, which pop out when touched, add to the sleek aesthetic and improve aerodynamics. The vehicle sits on redesigned 22-inch alloy wheels that feature a bold, intricate pattern, enhancing the SUV's stance on road presence. Additionally, the wheel arches are slightly more pronounced, emphasizing the robust and rugged nature of the Range Rover. At the rear, the 2025 model continues to impress with its modern, minimalist design. The taillights have been reworked into a slimmer, more streamlined shape, which integrates seamlessly with the overall design. A full-width headlight strip connects the taillights, adding a touch of sophistication and ensuring visibility from a distance. The rear bumper has been redesigned with a more angular look, featuring integrated exhaust outlets that contribute to the vehicle's sporty appearance. Underneath, the 2025 Range Rover is equipped with an advanced air suspension system that enhances both comfort and performance. The ride height can be adjusted to suit different driving conditions, providing improved off-road capability and a smoother on-road experience. Additionally, the vehicle features a range of new paint colors, including some unique metallic and matte finishes, allowing for a high level of personalization. In terms of performance, the 2025 Range Rover offers a variety of engine options, from a powerful V8 to a more efficient hybrid, each delivering impressive acceleration and a refined driving experience. The aerodynamic enhancements and advanced materials used in the exterior design contribute to improved fuel efficiency and reduced road noise. Overall, the 2025 Range Rover combines modern design with practical features, resulting in an SUV that is as stylish as it is capable. Stay tuned to Automobile's Car for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive innovations.